Welcome back, YouTubers, to my channel here. This is the copper cell we have to do a little maintenance on. The conductivity had gone down. Voltage had remained the same, but the amps were low. Therefore, the wattage was low. I had to take the anode basket out, see all those slimes in there. And these are the copper bars I had poured with my stock pot waste to go after the PMGs. So this right here is one that I had cleaned all the black gunk off, the slimes. The slimes are still in here. There's some silver that had cemented out in solution, it looks like, here. And there's some on the bottom. We're just going to leave that. I'm going to clean that out. I'm going to brush those off or wash those off, and we're going to start the cell back up. And I'll process these slimes together at one time. But I'm not going to bore you with washing this stuff off right here. I will glove up and rinse that out. I'll turn that upside down. We'll try and reuse it and get this cell back in action. But you can see how those anodes have really been dissolved, and the PMGs are here. So we'll process those shortly. It'll probably take a couple of weeks, but I've got some things to, I've got on the books, got a sulfuric stripping cell. We've got to go after some gold, and we've got to go after some pins and some scrap stuff. It's gold plated, but that's what we have. So I'm going to wash this off, get it back into service, and through the magic of video editing, we will be back shortly. So we started it back up. I increased the voltage a little. We'll go to 8 volts. And we'll increase the amps and keep an eye on that. But the wattage has gone back up there. And we'll just watch it and adjust as needed. And this here is the cell back in action. I put a piece of copper pipe there. I've got some more anodes. I just flipped them over and want them to dissolve, and we'll start knocking this out. Here are some of the slimes that I rinsed off, and you can see we're starting to get the sediment right here. See that right here? We'll let that the gravity will pull it down, and we'll get those particles. We'll let them fall out of solution. I don't know, filter it and then treat them. There's some copper in there. I feel like we should probably capture that also, so we'll just run that through and do it all, process it all at one time. So that's what we have. That's the copper cell back in action. We're going after those slimes. And you can see there's that looks like a little bit of silver in there and other PMGs. I'm sure there's some copper in there. I know it is. But that's what we have, man. So thanks for watching. Sulfuric acid stripping cell coming up next. So, hey man, I just want to say thanks to everyone. It sure is a blast. All right, a little update here. I'm going to get that a little closer so you can see we're starting to settle out, starting to clear out. The slimes are building. You can see a little bit of the silver and copper right here. It's about a ½ inch right there, ½ inch layer. And we're starting to clear up here. Like I said, I'll decant that off. And we started the silver cell back up, and I'm running a little higher on the voltage. I'm running 8 volts, about 2.179 amps, and that comes out to about 17 watts. Sorry, got a little off kilter there for a second, but that's the silver cell. We've cleaned up the anodes, and we're going to, I'll put that copper pipe on there for better conductivity and to keep that out of off the anodes. We'll just see how that's going. But man, that's it's coming along. And I don't know, maybe the next batch I'll run some of the copper sheets I have to, but I like that little brain coral. We're going to keep going. I don't know if you've noticed on the past videos, this is growing pretty substantial, those nodules. That's going to look pretty good when we take it out. Anyway, I'm super stoked. It's coming along nice. So don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, and let's leave some comments, man. Would appreciate it. Anyway, thanks. Really do appreciate it. Bye.